Good morning, children. This is Astha Mishra. Today I am going to teach you subject maths. In this subject, we will study chapter 3, subtraction. Okay? So let's start. First, we know about what is a subtraction. Subtraction means taking away or deduction. Subtraction means taking away or deduction. We subtract a smaller number from bigger number. This is the main point. We subtract a smaller number from bigger number. And what the answer we get, it is called a difference. Okay, these 2 points are there. We subtract a smaller number from bigger number, and the answer we get after subtraction, it is called a difference. Okay, let's do one question. Tens and 1. Okay, this is the example. Like I am giving you number. Do subtraction 28 minus 11. Now first you tell me which one is a smaller number and which one is a bigger number. See, 28 is a bigger number and 11 is a smaller number. Okay, as we know, we subtract a smaller number from bigger number. So first we will write bigger number. Okay, and after that we will write smaller number. Clear? Okay, children. One more important point is there. The smaller number is called a subtrahend and the bigger number is called a minuend. This is a smaller number. It is called a subtrahend. Okay, and bigger number, it is called minuend. I hope till here clear each and everything. What is a subtraction? Subtraction means taking away or deduction. Okay. We always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. And the answer we get, it is called difference. The smaller number is called a subtrahend and the bigger number is called minuend. Clear? So let's do solution. 8 minus 1. So make a 8 straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more 8. And how much number you minus? 1. So cut one line and then count. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write down here 7. Clear? Now 2 minus 1. So draw 2 lines and minus 1. Cut one line. How many lines left? 1. Write down 1. So answer is 7. It is called a difference. It is called a difference. One more example we will do. 63 minus 26. Okay, children. Now tell me which one is a minuend and which one is a subtrahend? Yes, 26 is a smaller number. So this is a subtrahend. And 63 is a bigger number. This is a minuend. Okay. Now write there tens, ones. This is a bigger number. Right here. This is a smaller number. Put there subtraction sign. Okay, this is the also important point. What is the subtraction sign? Subtraction sign is this one, small sleep line. Okay, now start we do 3 minus 6. So 3 minus 6, how it is possible? 3 is a smaller number, 6 is a bigger number. Okay, so let's do 3 is a bigger number. How? Tens is given, 1 tens, 2 ones. So this is going to 5 and this one comes to 13. Now you have to do 13 minus 6. So make a 13 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now subtract number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many lines left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write down here 7. Okay. Now 5 minus 2. Draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And cut 2 lines. 1, 2. How many lines left? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 37 is the answer. This is called a difference. Now children, we study next point, subtraction fact. First one is, when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Let's do example. 53 minus 0. So we get number itself means 53. Next example. 26 minus 0. So we do subtraction 26 minus 0. So we get same number 26. Second, when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the given number. Let's do example. 55 minus 1. So, children, let's think, what is the predecessor of 55? 54. So, let's do solution also. Can we get 54? Tens and ones. 55. 1. Make a 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut 1 line. How many lines left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 5. Yes. So we get 54. It means when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the given number. Do one more question. 26 minus 1. Tens, ones, 2, 6 minus 1. Draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 2. And what is the predecessor of 26? 25. Yes, correct. Now, third fact. When we subtract the number from itself, the difference is always 0. So let's check. Example. When we subtract the number from itself, means both numbers are same. So we do 20 minus 20. Okay. So write down here. Tens, ones, 2, 0, 2, 0. Subtraction sign. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Yes. So this is also a correct. When we subtract the number from itself, the difference is always 0. One more example. 35 minus 35. 35 minus 35. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. So these all three subtraction fact. Let's revise. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the given number. When we subtract the number from itself, the difference is always 0. Clear? Now children, we do revision exercise. It is given in your book, page number 51. This is your exercise. Okay. Question number 1. Subtract 26 minus 15. I'll explain you. First, subtract question number A. Write down tens, ones, 26 minus 15. Okay. 6 minus 5. So draw 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lines left? 1. So write down here 1. 2 minus 1. Draw 2 line. Cut 1 line. How many lines left? 1. So write down 1. Okay children. Let's do a quick revision. What is a subtrahend and what is minuend? Yes, this one. This is the smaller number. It is called subtrahend. Remember it always. And this is called a minuend. Always remember it. And this answer is called difference. Okay. According to this, question number B, question number C, and question number D, you have to do. Now question number E, this is the borrowing question. Question number E. Tens, ones, 9, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 6 is a smaller number, 8 is a bigger number. So 6 borrowing tens from tens. So this is going to cut 8 and this is come to 16. Okay. Now draw 16 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lines left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down here 8. Draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And cut 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many lines left? 1. Write down it. Okay. In this question, 78 is a subtrahend and 96 is a minuend and 18 is a difference. So according to this, question number F, G, H also. So you have to do in your book with pencil. Question number 2. There is given subtract orally and put greater than, less than and equal sign. Okay. Subtract orally. So 59 minus 29. So 9 minus 9 is equal to. Let's write this question in your copy. 59 minus 29. 20. Okay. So 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 2, 30. Okay. Now children, which one is bigger number? 30 or 20? It is very clear. 30 is a bigger number. So where is the crocodile face is open? Which side? 30 side, because 30 is a bigger number. So this is the sign. Okay. According to that, you have to do all these questions. B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Question number 3. What must be added to the following numbers to get the number in the center? Means what number you add in these circles, in these blanks. So you get 50. So let's do question number A. First we are going to do this one. What answer we get? What number we add here? 45 and we want 50. Okay. So just we will count what number we will get, because this is the smaller number. 45 is a smaller number, 50 is a bigger number. So write down their tens or ones. 50 minus 45 and do subtraction. This is a 0, so it is borrowing tens. It will become 4. This is a 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, and then let's check this number is correct or not. 45 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Carry over 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, so we get this number. So which number we will write here? 5. Okay, now do this one. 50 minus 25. So, you know this process. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 25. Let's check it. 25 plus 25. Which number should we add? 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. A over 1. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. 50. Wow, we get 50. So which number we add? 25. So write down here 25. Okay. Now here 50 minus 30. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay. So, which number we add? 20. Write down here 20. Want to check? You check it. 30 plus 20. What we get? 0, 5. 30 plus 20 we get 50. Now, same. 50 minus 40. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So we add here 10. Now as like same, 50 minus 15. So this is the 0. So we do same process. This is the 10. And this one come 4. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Yes. So we add 35. Want to check? You check it. No problem. 15 plus 35. 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Carry over 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Yeah, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. We get 50. So like that you solve it, question number B. Okay children, that's all for today. I hope you understand subtraction, all these points, and revision exercise also. Okay, that's all for today children. Have a good day and do your work properly in your book. And the copy work notes I will send you.